Meteorologist Dave Nussbaum. Hopefully the weather will hold out for that Veterans Day parade.
I think we might be okay with the bulk of the rain coming to an end just in time for that. But until then, though, we're going to be watching the rain here from Tropical Storm Nicole, kind of working its way here north of Tampa, not too far from Gainesville, maybe clipping just now the kind of northeastern part of the Gulf of Mexico, Big Bend to Florida area, not too far from Cedar Key. And this will continue on this track here. And you can see the large size of the tropical storm, too. Cloud cover from it already coming into Birmingham now, kind of getting rid of the sunshine we had earlier today. Winds are at 45, moving right now to the northwest at 15, and you can see that track kind of a boomerang shape here, going northwest to near Tallahassee, then going north to Atlanta, and then turning northeast as it works its way there across part of Greenville, South Carolina, over toward the Appalachians there. So it's going to be close enough to us that we are going to feel some impacts for part of the area. Right now, the first impact, cloud cover, and temperatures not too bad. We're sitting in the 70s, 70 in Coleman, Tuscaloosa, Birmingham there, and Anniston all at 73 now, and Gadsden coming in at 71. And looking ahead throughout the day, getting to about 74. Small chance for some showers this evening, but then after that tonight, that's when the bulk of the rain will move on in. So kind of breaking it down here, cloudy, breezy, couple showers this afternoon. Rain arrives this evening. Downpours start moving into the east. Heavy rain along and east of I-65 possible for tonight. So be watching that closely. Rain will continue to about 10 o'clock on Friday morning, and by Friday afternoon, cloudy, breezy, drying things out there as we wait for our big front to come on in. So here's futurecast rain and wind gusts is what I put on here. And you can see some of the rain bands coming in. Winds gusting 20 miles per hour here, maybe up to 30 off in the east as we go through the afternoon into the evening hours. Could see wind gusts near 35 Anniston to Talladega, close to 30 here at times as well as some of these first initial rain bands come in. This is 6 o'clock tonight. More of that steadier rain coming in 11 o'clock tonight, overnight into tomorrow morning. Wind gusts are going to be around 30, 35 or so over in the east here, kind of dying down a little bit by 7 a.m., but we're still looking at rain for the morning commute tomorrow. And then finally the rain starts kind of getting out of here by 11 o'clock in the morning, 10 o'clock in the morning. Winds still kind of breezy, though, even though the system is leaving the area. So you need to be weather aware for roughly 6 p.m. today until 10 a.m. on Friday. Potentially 1 to 2 inches of rain along and east of I-65. It closer to Georgia, the higher the rain totals. Possible flooding concerns out that way, too, so we'll watch out for that. It's a low threat, but it's there. And gusty winds we showed you around 20 to 30 with some higher gusts as well. There you see I-65 to the east, maybe 1 to 2 inches of rain. To the west, you may not see any rain at all or very little for that matter. And there's wind gusts you can see here, kind of anywhere from 15 to 20 miles per hour at times. But look at this here. As we get to 9 o'clock tonight, you can see them gusting near 36 in Anniston. And then overnight tonight, still around 20 to 30 or so mile per hour. This goes all the way to tomorrow morning. Still winds around 20 with wind gusts. Won't be sustained at this level all the way through 9 a.m. as we get into your Friday. So we do have that wind advisory there off to the southeast of Birmingham and east. Those areas could see those higher winds because they'll be closer to the center of circulation. Now for tomorrow, again, a little rain there through 9 a.m., but by 11 a.m. for the parade, the rain chance goes down and the weather starts to improve for the rest of your Friday. But we are gearing up for our next weather maker, this cold front. That's going to be sliding through Friday and going to bring us a lot of cloud cover here. But overnight, Friday into Saturday, could see some showers coming in Saturday morning early. They'll clear the area here by the afternoon, and mainly a little sunshine may come in before the sun sets on Saturday night. But it's definitely going to be significantly colder in the wake of both Nicole and that cold front. Temperatures on Sunday, only 51, lows 30 when you wake up Monday morning. Then another shot of rain arrives Tuesday and into Wednesday.